6 feet, we're good. Hi, Dr. Alfred Marquez here, Marquez Integrative, together with Sandra Gonzalez of the El Paso Diabetes Association. She and I have partnered up together with Hunter Engineering for a very, very life-saving worthy cause. We're collecting CPAPs. We're gonna have a CPAP drive. They can be old CPAPs, they can be new CPAPs, they can be CPAPs, of course, that you're not using, that you will bring to the drive in exchange for
a goodie bag, but it's not about the goodie bag. There's going to be a lot of good things in there, but it's about saving lives, coming together and saving lives. Come on, El Paso, we need your help. We always come together, so we need your help on Thursday from 9 to 5 to come and help us.
That's at 5939 Gateway West, this coming Thursday, April the 30th, between 9 and 5. If you can't make it, you can call us and we'll make arrangements to pick it up. Any CPAP will do, but just donate your CPAP, because who knows, maybe your CPAP is going to serve to save somebody's life.
So look for the flags and the balloons, and we look forward to seeing you on Thursday from 9 to 5. Thank you, El Paso.
Thanks a lot, El Paso.